Okay, so today we had a meeting with the different department. What was the discussion about the tourism today happening?
Me, Jack Sukija, and Akash Madgaonkar, our Vice President North, were called to represent as a follow-up of the conclave which the Honorable Minister and Director of Tourism had organized on 13 January. Then the issues were again discussed in GTB, and we realized that a lot of the issues were interdepartmental. So the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Minister impressed upon the Chief Secretary to coordinate this meeting. We are thankful for him for calling, to both of them for calling this meeting together. And all the feedback which came from the conclave was discussed. So there will be a follow-up on these issues. The three pertinent issues which were really taken up and which affect Goa is, one is waste management. We've seen that beaches have improved with waste management. However, approach roads, there's an issue. So the panchayats were directed to see how they can work on keeping the approach roads clean. With regard to shacks and other things, with recent security issues, I think tourism department and the police will coordinate in a more effective manner to see that things are calmed down and managed in a better way. And a lot of other issues were discussed, but there will be a follow-up meeting, I think, after some time to see how to manage this better.
Okay, what about the incident happening every day? So what was the discussion about?
Like I said, this was a policy meeting. It was specific issues were not discussed, but wherever there have been issues, tourism department and the police, which is basically the one which has enforcement powers, will work together to ensure that things are managed in a better way.
There was one proposal to give QR code and ID card to the Sheikh owners.
Yes, so I think that is the staff have already supposed to be identified and give their details. I think they were. It was not discussed in detail, but it was there on the agenda, and they said they will work on it. Specific timeline was not given, but they'll work on it.
Okay. So henceforth the ID cards and QR code will.
Should be issued by when, I do not know.
Okay.
How many departments were the total?
So we had the tourism secretary and the tourism director. We had police. We had SP North, I think Akshat Kaushal. We had the secretary sports.
Panchayat, then MPA, Marmagaon Port Authority. We had SAG, Director of Tourism, Airport Authorities of India, Dampoli, as well as GMR Airport representatives.
MPT was also there.
Any assurance from the SP regarding the incident? Because every day we have seen that yesterday also one incident happened at Arambol. So any assurance from SP side?
It says that they have increased the intensity of patrolling, and what best they can do, they will be.
Any discussion about foreign tourists getting foreign tourists?
Getting foreign tourists, there were specific proposals discussed with the airport authorities of how to get more airlines in, and they are supposed to get back with them.
When is the next meeting?
Timeline has not been fixed, but maybe in a month or so we should have enough.
Another key issue which was brought up is single window for weddings and MICE related events. So there will be a follow-up meeting with the CS along with the Department of Tourism and other departments which has to take place, so that there can be a proper system in place to get permission for weddings and corporates and MICE events in Goa, which is absolutely integral industry for tourism in Goa. So that is another key point, other than taxis and garbage, which was tackled, and we hope to get progress at least in the next 1 to 2 months at least.
Any charges for wedding destination?
So that will be discussed also, but the main thing is the streamlining of process. Right now, if you want to have an event, you have to go to almost 6 to 7 different departments. So now there should be a single or at least 2 points where you can get your permission. So that is what proposal we have given. The previous director of tourism was working on it. We are trying to take it forward and reach a conclusion at least maybe in the next 1 to 2